Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You are watching Tech. So yesterday, via official post by OnePlus announced the release of the new update for the stable Oxygenos 12.1 C05 for the OnePlus Nord 2. And this time they have made available this update with the downgrade package, so you can roll back to the Oxygenos 11 or the lower version of Oxygenos 12. So today in this video, we will see what are the new changes OnePlus had made, how to downgrade and all the clarification given by OnePlus for our doubts. So watch the video till then. Now without further ado, let's get started.
A new adventure.
I already downgraded to the Oxygenos 11 using my own trick. You can watch that video from the iCard. So I checked in the software upgrade, is this new update available or not. Even after repeated check, I did not got any update notification. Actually, OnePlus already released Oxygenos 11 821 for the stable Oxygenos 11 devices. I covered details about this update in the iCard video. You can check that. Even that update is not visible for me until now. Then I checked the official post by the OnePlus community regarding this update, and here it is saying the release of the incremental Oxygenos 12.1 C05 for the OnePlus Nord 2. There is no specific details to which devices they are releasing this update, like for the Oxygenos 11 or the devices which are on the Oxygenos 12.1. It's pretty confusing till the date what is OnePlus is doing. Still they have given some clarification in this post that I will discuss later. So this is the new Oxygenos 12.1 C05 for the only Indian regions. If you check the changelog, it doesn't have major changes, but some fixes are there, like fixing of the abnormal pop-ups after pressing the power button. They fix an abnormal interface after clicking the update notice of Bitmoji stickers. Fixes the issue of the game icons displayed abnormally after being removed from the game space. And surprisingly, this update has the May 2022 security patch. It is the end of June 2022 and still OnePlus providing us the May security patches to the latest updates. Actually, OnePlus already released the Oxygenos 11 821 with the June security patch. This is also pretty confusing. Finally, they fixed some battery drain because of the camera use, which is welcome addition. So overall, this update is nothing but some bug fixes with the addition of confusions in everyone's mind. Good thing is that they provided the rollback package for the downgrading to the Oxygenos 12 or Oxygenos 11. But remember, this package only works if you upgrade to the newest Oxygenos 12 C05. What a joke. So still people who are stuck on the Oxygenos C04 can't downgrade, they need to first upgrade to the C05. You get two different rollback packages, and this rollback package will erase all your data. You need to download the 3.88 GB of rollback package if you want to downgrade to the lowest version of Oxygenos 12. Maybe it's C04, which is not mentioned by the OnePlus. Rename it to the name exactly same as shown on the screen and place it in the root of the storage. Then go to the software upgrade, there tab about phone, tap 3-dot menu, select the local upgrade and locate the downloaded file, and system will verify the update and flash it. This process only available on the Oxygenos 12. So I can't able to show you that here, but follow exactly as I told you in this video. To downgrade to the Oxygenos 11 from the C05, you need to download the another separate package of 3.62 GB. I don't know exactly to which Oxygenos 11 version it will downgrade. Maybe it's 821 or the 820. This is also not clarified by the OnePlus. All the things are pretty confusing for me. Still some clarification about your doubts are given by OnePlus in this post that we will discuss now. First doubt is why Oxygenos 11 821 update if they have already released the Oxygenos 12. As per OnePlus clarification, we know that Oxygenos 12 release, but it's available for the small users. So in this period, someone who didn't got the Oxygenos 12 update, they can use this new Oxygenos 11 821 to get more stable experience on Oxygenos 11. I think OnePlus is taking too much care of their customers now like small babies. Second clarification is for the peoples other than the India who didn't even got the Oxygenos 12. So they are saying the releasing the updates requires some certification. I think it's like the L1 security certificates maybe, which takes the longer time in the European regions. But it will available in the mid of the July. This one is also funny. It looks like the partiality is going on, but actually it's nothing but the priority based service where they sold more devices like the India, they will provide the fastest updates. These types of marketing strategies are now followed by the OnePlus, which is dangerous for their growth. People who are buyer of the Pac-Man edition phones, after paying some extra bucks, after update they lose some of their unique features, but the new update will be released around July with all these issues fixed. Last and the most important clarification is regarding the security patch. Oxygenos 11 821 was released with the Gen security patch and the Oxygenos 12 C05 is released with the Mesh security patch. OnePlus saying that the building Oxygenos 12 is the lengthier process as compared to the Oxygenos 11. So they released the Oxygenos 11 update earlier than the Oxygenos 12 C05 build. Means building of Oxygenos 12 with the old security patch was in the progress, where the Oxygenos 821 was released with the latest security patches before it. What jokes are going on? I think OnePlus hired non-professional developers who are pretty lazy, because even our custom ROM developer for the Nord 2 community like the Sakil and other released the P and AX with the June security patches. I think OnePlus should watch my video and rethink about their strategies regarding the updates, because they already lose their status in the mobile world after releasing the ColorOS based Oxygenos 12. So this is all about this new update. If you think I help you, please do like and share this video. Subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notification of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.